Hello, in this video we're going to be finding a fraction of a quantity. So the objective here is to calculate fractions of amounts. So the key idea is to divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. So for example, if we wanted to find 2/3 of 6, we would divide by 3 to find 1/3, and we would times by 2 to find 2/3. So here are some examples. So 1/5 of 40, we're just splitting 40 into 5. So 1/5 of 40 is 40 divided by 5, so that's going to be 8. So if we want to find 7/8 of 64, firstly we want to find 1/8 of 64 by doing 64 divided by 8, so that's going to be 8. And then to work out 7/8 of 64, I'm simply going to multiply 8 by 7 to get 56. If I want to find 2/3 of 18, I start off by finding 1/3 of 18 by dividing 18 by 3, so that's going to be 6. So 2/3 of 18 is going to be 12. 5/4 or 5/4 of 20, I'm first going to start by finding 1/4 of 20 by doing 20 divided by 4, so that's 5. So 5/4 of 20 is going to be 5 times 5, and that's going to be 25. Here's an exam style question on this topic. So a tank holds 60 litres, 3/10 of the water is used, how much of the water remains? So in order to answer this question, we need to first figure out how much water is used. So firstly, I'm going to work out 3/10 of 60. So to find 3/10 of 60, I first work out 1/10 by doing 60 divided by 10, so that's going to be 6. And then 3/10 is going to be 6 times 3, so that's going to be 18 litres. So 18 litres is used, so that means we have 60 take away 18 litres left, so that's going to be 42 litres that remain. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So here are the answers, and that's everything for this video. So this was another quick topic, but that's everything for this video. So I'll see you again in another video. Bye!